You're invited. Wow, that's interesting. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here?
Hey!
Hey, you! Chefs, long time no see.
Don't call me chef.
Oh, yeah, right, okay.
How are you? How's the nutrition business?
Oh, I'm not that nutritionist.
No,
okay?
really? Why?
Well, because I don't like the healthy eating sadness.
Oh, well, I'm a chef, they say, but I don't just cook broccoli and boiled chicken.
I'm sure you do. You have something to do. Okay, so why are we here?
Well, I got this.
Yes, we got an invitation.
Right.
Yes.
And here, you hold that one.
Okay.
It says, you have been selected for a special collaboration mission. The modern world has created a strange problem. People are overfed, yet undernourished. Convenience replaced connection. Diet culture replaced joy. Cooking became a chore instead of a self-care. Your mission, create a new conversation around food.
Ooh, I like that.
Show people that healthy eating is not punishment,
Yes, yes.
that nourishment is beautiful,
Of course.
simple, creative, time-efficient, fun, and sustainable. The market is asking for more than recipes. People are craving connection, education, lifestyle, and meaning. Meet at the designated location. A table is waiting. The S.E.N.S.E table.
Ooh, that sounds interesting.
Sounds fancy.
Well, I'm in.
I'm in. You want to do this, right?
Yes, let's do
Okay,
it.
let's do it.